our British coasts can match the man of Tipperary. Tall is his form, his heart is warm, his spirit light as any fairy. His wrath is fearful as the storm that sweeps the hills of Tipperary. Lead him to fight for native land. His is no courage cold and weary. The troops live not on earth would stand the headlong charge of Tipperary.
Cabin rude, or dancing with his dark-haired Mary, you'd swear they knew no other mood but mirth and love in Tipperary. You're free to share his scanty meal, his plighted word he'll never vary. In vain they tried with gold and steel to shake the faith of Tipperary. Soft is his Colleen's sunny eye, her mien is mild, her step is airy. Her heart is fond, her soul is high, oh, she's the pride of Tipperary.
Let Britain brag her motley rag, we'll lift the green more proud and airy. Be mine the lot to bear that flag and head the men of Tipperary. Though Britain boasts her British hosts, about them all I little care we. Give us to guard our native coasts the matchless men